everybody, it's Destiny Lashae. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. To my subscribers, I love you. Thank you so much for sticking with me. So if you're new here, you might not know that I'm teaching a hands-on influencer training. I've been an influencer for about 6 years now, and I'm teaching a hands-on training on editing, branding, marketing, all of that good stuff. So you can check out my website at www.influencertraining.info to register for the class. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys what contacts I wear. This is the third video that I filmed in regards to my contacts, and they have been the same brand every single time. As of right now, and for the past couple of years, I've only worn Desio contacts. I got a new package from Desio about 2 days ago, so I'm going to show you guys exactly what they look like in studio lighting and in natural light. So I don't know if you guys know this, but I need prescription contacts to see. So my prescription is a negative 2.50, so that's what I tend to order from Desio myself. I personally don't pay for contacts. I get them complimentary because I do promote for them. Yeah, I love them. I've been wearing them for years. So currently right now I have in the color Cappuccino from Desio, and these are from the coffee collection. Desio's coffee collection has to be my favorite line that they carry because I love just brown or hazel colored contacts. So this is what they look like. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. So this is what Cappuccino looks like in studio lighting, and now I'm going to show you what Cappuccino looks like in sunlight so that you guys can get an idea of what they look like in natural lighting. But this is what they look like. I just love how Cappuccino looks, like the coloring, it just looks so real, and like the inside of the pupil is just not one-dimensional. It's very three-dimensional and they look very realistic. So this is what Cappuccino looks like. Anytime I put my contacts in, I like to wash my hands with Purpose soap. I'll put it right here, but this is what it looks like. And this soap doesn't irritate my eyes. So I just make sure I really wash my hands well with that soap. And then I dry my hands off with a paper towel, not a towel because towels have little furries on them and then they get in your eye. So wash your hands with a soap that has nothing in it. Dry your hands with a paper towel and then pop your contacts in and out. I'm gonna show you guys how I take my contacts out. I have nails on my fingers, so it makes it a little bit more difficult than it would if I didn't have any on, but I'll show you how I do it quickly. If I have makeup on, I use a paper towel and I just press gently against my eye. I use my ring finger and just slide the contact down, and I just pick the contact out of my eye. And the contact solution that I use is BioTrue. This really feels like your own tears, so I really love this stuff. I've been using it for a really long time. Press up against my eye. There we go. Got it. So this is what my natural eye color looks like. I have very dark brown eyes. So the next pair that I'm gonna put in are the Desio Caramel Brown contacts, and they come in little packages like this. And you just kind of open them up. I just take a paper towel, press against my eye. I don't really tug on my eye. And then I just sit it in my eye like that. Very easy once you get the hang of it. So this is what Caramel Brown looks like up close. These are really pretty too. They're a little bit darker than Cappuccino, but they still have that realistic feel to them, like in the pupil area. I really like these. These used to be my go-to contact lenses all the time, but then I got into the coffee collection and those are cute and whatever, so I started wearing those, but these are always a favorite of mine. And this is what they look like in natural lighting. So this is what the contacts looks like when I'm far away. They look very pretty. Honestly, they look very natural in my eyes. They don't look like they stand out too much. Honestly, Caramel Brown on my eyes look a little green in person. So the next color that I'm gonna put in is the color Espresso. These are from the coffee collection as well. So this is what the color Espresso looks like from far away. And I'm gonna zoom you guys in. the next contacts are still Desio contacts. They are from the Attitude collection, and they're 1 a day contacts. There are 12 contacts in here, and I tend to use these within like 3 weeks. I have some right here that I've been wearing for the past couple days, so I'm just gonna pop those in. So this is what Delicious Honey looks like. With these, they don't have that realistic center, but then again, they still look realistic. I have no idea how they do this, but they still look very nice. So yeah, this is Delicious Honey. So this is what Delicious Honey looks like from farther away. And now I'm going to show you what they look like in natural daylight. Thanks for watching my video, guys. If you're interested, look in the description box and check out my website. Subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!